Sebastiano the Constrictor, and welcome to the Sick Crib, and today I'll be feeding my ball python a winner rat, and you can see that she is ready, because there's been prompting of the camera and there's been opening of the cage, and she's been jittering her head everywhere, ready for when she's about to be fed. I had to get, because I've got a spray water, I've got a spray of water so that on alerts him a little bit so that he's not actually getting fed at the same time that she is getting fed, so it brings her awareness down a bit. So you can see that she's out of her hide and ready to be fed. So yeah, I'll see you when the lid's up. So yeah, bye. I'm back. So I can't get the lid off, but I have to do this really quick. Like I've got to make sure that she stays in the reptilian, and see if I can get the lid off as quick. Go. Come on, there we go. There we go. Whoa, look at that. And that is a successful feeding video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.